So to review what I just did, water has a really high surface tension because it can form a lot of hydrogen bonds. And dirt and oil can't penetrate the surface of the water, so we use things like laundry detergent and dish soap to get through to it. So I'm going to use a quick demonstration to kind of show how surfactants work. I'm going to sprinkle pepper into a bowl of water and put a drop of dish soap in and see what happens. So when the dish soap went into the water, the pepper all moved off to the sides because the dish soap broke the surface tension of the water and gave it a bigger surface area. Everything moved out. And